This one is on the passenger side, so the 210E, and then for this side, on the driver's side, it's the 240E. So this one already came off. So we're gonna pull both of these up. So there's a little hook in here, and then if you come from the back side here, there's you just depress these, and it comes right off. So it's nice and easy. They give you the option of a bunch of different connections.
Stoppers, yeah.
You don't necessarily need those. So this one, you can see, has the same thing. You have to push that in, and this clips, should just clip into the back. Go. Make sure top and bottom are clipped in. They're good. So this one can go down. We're gonna slide this in underneath where this arrow is, and then we're gonna clip it in the back. So just push right on, should clip in, and then we're just gonna put that down. There you have it.
There you go.